Thank you and good morning. My name is Baron Unbehagen, and on stage with me today is Matt DeMonico. And we're going to spend a few minutes talking to you about referral programs and specifically about our product, YAP. YAP stands for Your Advocate Program. It's really interesting when you think about the billions of dollars that financial institutions have spent over the past 20 years for self-service products, online banking, mobile banking, payments. They really haven't invested a lot in channels, electronic channels, that allow them to leverage their existing account base to grow their business, regardless of the product line that they have. In fact, if you want to know what the de facto industry standard is for referral programs in financial services today, it's paper. I printed this off this morning. This is a tell-a-friend coupon that many banks offer as part of their program, where as a customer of the bank, if you want to participate in that referral program, you have to print this off. Good luck if you can find it on their website. You have to fill it out, and then you have to turn around and go hand it to your friend. And when you hand it to your friend, you have to hope that they walk in and actually open an account, and then someone at the bank has to pick up the phone or mail you and let you know that you've qualified for a reward. YAP is a responsive, designed application that works on any device and frankly fits into the devices that you have developed and allowed your customers to do all their self-service banking functions on. And we're going to walk through the demo, and as we do, there's a couple of components. The first thing is the consumer component. And you see some of the examples that we're putting up on the screen. It has to be very compelling visual design to really engage the consumer and get them excited about the program. So Matt's going to walk through and make a referral. And when he does, a couple things happen. We engage the people that are involved in the referral itself. So he hits submit, and for the purpose of the demo, we'd already filled out the information. He hits submit, and 2 emails get fired off. One, the person that made the referral gets an email saying, thank you for your referral, right? And it's funny how institutions react when I ask them, well, when's the last time you thanked your customers? So it's a good feeling for them to have in that relationship. The person that got referred received an email from a trusted source that says, hey, you've been referred for, it could be a retail checking product, it could be a business checking product, it could be a loan product. So it really depends upon what an institution wants to throw into that package as part of the referral program. Now, we're going to fast forward a little bit, and let's say Matt walks into the branch and shows a teller that he did a referral. We can handle this at the teller themselves, where they can convert the account, or we can handle it through integration with whatever core system you have in doing file matching. But either way, they sign up for the account, and now once converted, 2 more emails get fired off. One, if you're going to incent that person that signed up for the account, they can now log in online and redeem for a reward. And one of the differentiators for YAP is the fact that we've integrated this platform in such a way that it provides choice. And choice and rewards makes your programs more attractive to a broader segment of consumers in the marketplace. When you talk about a static program, it's really hard to offer choice when all you can offer is a gift card or $20 cash. Now you're giving the users and the participants the ability to choose what it is they want that fits into their lifestyle, right? What meets their wants and needs. So we've completed this transaction. He gets to fulfill it online. If it's something like merchandise, it gets shipped directly to his home. It could be e-codes, so instant issue debit cards, or it could be cash if you so choose to throw that in the program, or it could be your traditional gift card. So we really provide a wide array of items. So let's jump over to the reporting aspects of the solution. When I hand this card to someone I'm referring, the institution doesn't know about it, right? If I ask an institution how successful their program was last year, they might say, oh, we got 1,000 cards, or we got 1,500 tell-a-friend coupons. But in fact, what they don't know is they may have actually been referred 5,000 times. So when you think about the kind of data that you can glean from how active are the participants in my program, how many people aren't actually participating in it that have actually signed up, so I can now go and try to engage them to participate in making more referrals. I can look and see, well, how many referrals were made by product line? You can use this internally with your employees where when they're opening a new account, they can ask for the referral and get credit for asking for that and entering it into the system. So now you can engage not only the consumer in helping you drive lower cost accounts, and I think we all know the value of a referral. Doesn't matter what study you look at, they're typically 4 times more likely to buy than not. So they're cheaper to get, they're easier to get, and they drive a lot of value to your institution. Other types of data metrics that are interesting is what channels are your customers using to make those referrals. So one of the exciting things for us is we had our first customer integrate their telefriend program with their mobile banking application. So now customers of Phelps County Bank can actually click on the telefriend from their mobile banking app, and they can go in and make a referral. They included it in their menu tree, so it really creates kind of a seamless experience for that customer and helps drive more low-cost referrals to help grow their business at the end of the day. I think the other exciting piece of this is when you think about the different channels where you want to engage clients and get them to bring new business, think about your online account opening solution. Why wouldn't you, number one, be offering an integrated rewards platform to incent people to complete? So let's reduce or decrease the abandonment rate. So how do we go about doing that? Well, we put rewards front and center in that process. And at the same time, why don't we reinforce the referral solution as they complete that? So once they get approved, not only can they select their reward online, they have the ability now to enroll in a referral program because they just had a great experience with that institution. So we're RMS. We would love to meet with any or all of you if we have time afterwards in the breakout sessions, and we really appreciate your time. Thanks so much, Finovate.